Okay, back to my building project. Coming from the back end, we're having a problem with our Bosch jackhammer. So I got a lot of guys working here today. Doing a lot more foundation parts. I found the problem. I know why it goes out. Yeah, we gotta put oil. Yeah, we gotta put some 20 weight. Yeah, where is that? Let's go get that thing. And this is where they dug these for the foundation.
Borrow your.
Yeah, let's go take it apart. It's kind of a big house. I had a bigger plan to begin with, but had to get realistic. I didn't need that big. I don't even need this big. Okay.
The camera is okay, not destroyed. Only the oil is empty.
Yeah, it's got an automatic trigger in there, so when the oil gets too low, it shuts off to protect it.
What is kind of oil?
20 weight. Yeah, that's 20. That's my 20. It says 20 weight mineral oil. Blah blah blah. But that's the same stuff as this, really. So we should be good, man. Yeah, there we go.
The label. Look the label.
So I couldn't really find out how much to fill it, but
Oh.
okay. Okay. Still in limbo on my workshop, gym. Still waiting for the roof. Like always, they promise, overpromise, and underdeliver. So, guys finishing up the bathroom in there, and we've got roofing coming, but they're just ridiculous. Always promised 2 weeks, 3 weeks later, we're going on 4 weeks now. Anyways, that's the Philippines. So you got to kind of roll with it. Anyways, everything gets real thin down here at the driveway. Got my wall done. Oh, let's see. Okay. You got it?
Oh. I will use this one to put inside the oil.
Okay. Philippine funnel.
Yeah. It's a bridge to connecting another way.
Right.
No water. It's only engine oil.
Yeah, you know these guys. When I bought this, they don't know anything. It took me a long time to find it. Everything is in Russian and Vietnamese and Chinese.
Yes. The tools we put in the one box.
Or the part.
After 1 week, we put again, or 4 days, 3 days.
Oil?
Oh,
Yeah, probably every.
Check up every 3 days.
Check it 3 days. Yeah.
The gauge.
This is really easy to maintain. So, actually, this whole thing can come.
Small,
Yeah, that can come off. But I think this whole thing can pop off too. But I think you just pull this off.
Yeah,
just pull that one off. You want to pull that? It's kind of. Actually, the guy put this. It don't need it. Let's not mess with it. Maybe it's, I don't know. Yeah, just put oil. You wanna? Oh, my little spray can it's the same oil, but okay, that's good. Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
Yeah, that's good. There you go. Get a nice bevel on that high-tech funnel.
Nice technique.
And it's, oh yeah. Why don't we get the squirt bottle, because you can squirt it in there. My squirter.
Squirt bar.
Yeah, that oiler.
Oiler is destroyed.
Oh, it's destroyed?
Billy.
How is it destroyed? How did you destroy it?
The spring. Gone.
Okay, that goat's got to be in the pen. I don't want him running around here because of that stuff.
I repair that later.
Okay.
Rugap ka ko to. Pagtanaw ni siya sa video. Durog, dito.
Pag siya ba, di lang kurog.
Oh.
Marang yung budo ko. Sandayo?
Maybe just put it right over there and pour in real slow, huh? Without the funnel.
Karong siya dito.
Siya ka. No, skop pa kani tangan ano ya karon dan botlong ang lagi burot ron.
I don't know. Plus, there's a lot of that fine dirt, that white stuff. Is that full?
Big tank?
Yeah.
Maybe 1 liter?
No, I don't know.
No gauge.
Yeah, it doesn't have a gauge. Yeah, some of the models have a gauge on the outside. This one doesn't. Why don't you just try and pour it straight over there by yourself? Just pour it without that, huh?
Wala na?
They don't understand me anyways.
Oh.
Just pour.
Wala sa kulay. Wala sige balik na. Yoga.
Yeah? Just pour it straight in, man.
Yes.
No, I mean it's just straight. Hold it right over the hole because he's.
Okay, slowly only. Pini na. Ayaw. Itong aman tong gamay na, tong gamay ayaw na.
Hindi ba ni murag na
Tubig. Ikaw na. Okay na. Okay na. Okay. Katong gamay.
Yeah, it's full.
Oh.
Good. Yeah.
Full. Katong gamay na.
Not full?
Na pa na.
There you go. Yeah.
mix na tagak lagi yung spring.
Oh, no inside the spring.
I don't know how that happened.
Ikado ning matagak po nito re. Hagmus bangag nun ni spring.
Yeah.
Dito na. Dito na ikagulit ani. Akong kon mahagbang ini.
All right.
Nga maorbi ko siya. Tututik man.
That one looks like it got water in it. It's kind of white. Huh?
No water. Okay na. Because iya ka
It's a little creamy. Okay, yeah.
Again, cannot inside this. No. It's close. I have a thread.
Okay.
Taklog.
Oh.
Punan lang nato kung makapalit ito. Buy one. We put it again.
Yung palit ako sa.
Yeah.
Yeah, ikaw sira naman.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Sus.
This whole thing can easily be rebuilt.
The hammer is active. I'm jump.
Let's hope so. Fingers crossed. Yeah. No, this is Chinese, mostly Chinese instruction. Chinese are no good at instruction.